Hi.
Hi.
It's cold.
It's really cold.
Do you see? Snow.
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 Hi. Sammy.
Look at it's the abominable snow doggy.
Yeah.
Run.
Trekking in the snow and Leah almost fell.
Cause my dog, it's icy, and he was like pulling me, and I was like,
It was
"Ugh."
really funny, and I'm really cold, and I might die, but that's okay.
Do you see this?
Yeah.
It's cold. And you see how my shoes are still red? That's from the Grand Canyon.
Oh, see, mine kind of are, but you can't tell because they're black.
Yeah, mine are white. Hi.
Oh, so
Hi. Hi.
why aren't you joining us?
Hi.
Go get the
Hi. But I told you could come over, but you don't have a ride.
I know. And people are using the car that you can drive.
Yeah.
Teddy. I got new tires so I could drive in the snow, but
I don't have new tires.
I don't think they're gonna be put on yet. So
Wait,
that kinda
it
sucks.
should go this way because if it's gonna be. Yeah. Okay.
That was the weirdest one.
We're gonna let's go swing.
I'm cold.
We're gonna go swing in the snow.
I'm cold.
Swinging in the snow.
Sad it's snow. And I'm cold.
It's cold. Swing. Swing.
Swing.
Swing.
Oh
Swing.
God, it's about to be freezing. Are we joking?
They're not even icy.
Okay, fine.
Oh.
Hi.
Are you swinging? Oh, dog.
My butt is about to be.
Swinging. We're swinging in the snow.
We're swinging.
Swinging.
Hi.
I don't even know if I can see you, Anna.
I know. Hello.
Wow.
Want me to tell a story?
Tell a story.
Once upon a time, we were swinging in the snow.
What?
And Sammy attacked
Crazy.
us.
Oh.
The end.
So it's not a very happy story.
Was it great?
Do you see this dog? He's not capable of attacking. I won't zoom in anymore.
Okay, away from me. That's cool too.
Hi. We're cold. We're cold. We're cold.
I know it's probably red. I should have got like a ski mask. That would have
We
been
look
cool.
like burglars.
Oh well.
But we're cold.
Like my wazoo hat. I know
mine's
everyone
Seahawks.
does.
I think it's kind of
Ooh.
crooked right now.
Okay, let's hold this back further because that's
Sorry,
kind
I
of
don't
awkward.
have very long arms, so what can I do?
So we're gonna keep trekking and probably slip.
I will fall.
And
We
we'll
miss
tell you
you.
more stories later. We miss you. Love you. Bye. Bye.